right, what's up, everybody? Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions, talking about our hard money division of the company today, our lending division. We went through this great segment on 5 tips to get approved by hard money lenders, talked about just a quick reminder of what hard money is, what it's not, the type of properties we lend on, etc., etc. And just as some final thoughts here, every investor, real estate investor from beginner to seasoned pro, should have a good hard money lender or two in their toolbox. Because listen, when deals happen, they happen fast. Speed matters. Reliability matters. To help you compare lenders and find your best deals, we have multiple resources in order to do that. We have a loan sizer that we give our borrowers, a deal analyzer that we give our borrowers, a repair estimator that we give our borrowers. And it's just important to know because it lets you kind of compare the offerings of different lenders out there. You can compare traditional banks to private or hard money lenders. Both have a great spot in your toolbox, but both are very different. So basically just reach out to us. We fund deals every single day, every single week. We'd love to talk to you. Reach out. We share all the information we have, and we're very gracious about doing so. So thanks for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. And on all the other handles, make sure you share. But we're Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions. I'm Chris Gallo with Flip and Hold Funding, talking about our hard money division today. And as always, our tagline is, here at Flip and Hold Funding, we are hard money made easy. Oops. Made easy. Take care.